I think that definitely the industry and countries with strong interest in automotive manufacturing, I mean, will take lessons from this. They will adapt. And basically, we will see moves at different levels. On one hand, from automotive manufacturers, usually their supply of chips comes from tier 3 or tier 4 suppliers. This means that it's a supplier of the supplier of the supplier. This means that basically coordination across the supply chain is a bit hard. So basically, automotive manufacturers will move on in order to secure a more direct control of chip manufacturing. In some cases, even let's say funding and securing production capacity by themselves directly. And on the other hand, countries with a strong interest in automotive manufacturing would also basically make moves in terms of securing chip production capacity, for their factories, and in some cases even moving production, to home soil. So we'll see this happening in the future. Maybe not quick enough to generate an impact, on the ground in the next few months within this year, but definitely, on the longer term, we will see an impact, from let's say the situation that is unfolding now.
So Pedro, it sounds to me what you're saying is we're going to get a reverse of the way that the car makers have ultimately developed their business models, that they're going to take a lot more of this process in-house to ensure and guarantee that they have certainty of supply.
Yeah, but nevertheless, this should not be seen as something, let's say, unique, and exclusive to chips, So actually, for instance, in the last few years, car manufacturers have moved towards, let's say, securing more software production in-house. They have also moved towards securing, raw materials, for the production of batteries for EV vehicles. So they are securing directly those raw materials themselves, because obviously this is a matter of strategic importance from the long term. And therefore, what we will see happening on the chip market, is not necessarily so different from what these other two cases I mentioned. It's simply that there are lessons to be learned, and the needs for semiconductors in the automotive industry will not go down. Much on the contrary, they will only go up. When you see trends like electrification, autonomous drive, connected car, all of them will demand more chips, for the automotive industry, and therefore automotive manufacturers, definitely are taking note of that, and they will try to secure a more direct line of supply towards their semiconductor needs in the future.